In the last video I made, I gave you this trade right here. From the bottom, we were right here and said, this is the bottom, you should buy, and this is the best time to enter. And we got a very good trade. I was looking for a sweep of these highs on the daily chart. We got 24%-ish on it. I was taking some profits out at VWAP, but yeah, still probably like 12-15% overall. Really good trade. I'm happy with it. So the question is, what is going to happen now? What scenarios do we have in front of us when it comes to XCN? Is it in an uptrend? Will this uptrend continue? So the first thing we want to make sure we understand is what kind of a trend are we in, and we're definitely in an uptrend. We've been in an uptrend since the breakout of this level right here, which is basically a week or 10 days ago. So for the better half of 10 days, we've been up, which is incredible. This is good. This is good for the overall. Let me just close a trade on my phone. This is good for the overall portfolio, and we're looking for new entries. So we're gonna go ahead and go on the 30-minute and see what we have here. The first thing I'm noticing is that we definitely closed. So here are a few scenarios. The first scenario that I want to run by you is also open up a little bit of ICP. Is a sweep of this high right here, or a sweep of this low. So in any of these scenarios, any of these lows, I'll be interested in taking short right here, longs right here, with confirmations from a divergence or longs or shorts closing. This would be the ideal scenario. This is what we had right here. Right here, if we go back to the 4th of September, which was the last XCN video. By the way, I'll try to do them daily if this video gets 10 likes. We basically had a bottom, a real bottom on the longs. So longs kind of, they couldn't go lower than that. That's definitely something. Let me just value area now. I want to change this a little bit. RSI 70. I want to have the RSI 20, but I don't think I can. Okay. So whenever longs bottom out and they go above 20, we normally have a bullish signal, especially when you see them above 23, like right here. And this is where you want to be. You want to be accumulating at here. Obviously, this video is not financial advice. And on exposure, you want to be taking profits before anyone else. Because this is a PvP game. This is you versus everyone else. You gotta be very, very sharp with your trades, very concentrated in. You gotta have a plan beforehand. So this is why I'm making these videos, to show you my plan. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. If you wanna follow my trades, use the links in the description down below. Also, if you want to learn how I trade, everything about my strategy, how I find alpha in trading, it's just 97 bucks. Link in description down below. Limited time, discounted it a lot. Also in the link in description down below, I'll have links for WEEX, which is my current exchange of choice. You can claim your $20% deposit bonus now. You deposit something, 20% on top of that is applied. There's some rules for that, and you can get a $10 to $100 coupon just for signing up. So yeah, that's all you gotta do. Love you with all my heart. See you in the next video.